Okay, so this is just a short little video to show you how to create your graph. We're going to go up here to Insert. There we go. And then we're going to insert a chart. The type of chart we're going to insert is a scatter plot. That's going to allow us to make a trend line. So there we go. And then we'll click OK. And so we get this. This is where you'll put your values. I'm going to change this one so we'll have a correlation. There we go. The X values are going to be temperature, and the Y values will be the milliliters. So you'll get your graph that looks like this, and then you'll come over and click this arrow. Sorry, it's not an arrow, it's a plus sign. Click Axis Titles because we'll want to put units and tell what these numbers represent. And then we'll also want to do a trend line. So click that. That gives you a line that describes those points. And then we're going to click this little arrow next to trend line, go down to More Options, and we're going to display the equation on the chart. That's the equation you're going to use in your problem set. And then I also usually like to do the R-squared value. The R-squared value gives you some idea of how closely the points fit that line. And here we've got a 0.9. It's not very good, but that's okay because it's not real. Make sure you give your graph a title. Make sure you fill out these axis titles. And you are done. See how easy that is? In less than 2 minutes.